Hey, so I'm excited that our team leaders have their own boards. Some of you have had boards for a little bit, and some are you new to Monday.com. So for those that are new to Monday.com, I'm going to go over how this works. I'm going to use Leo's as an example. So in here, we don't have any, it's pretty blank. This is a new template. So on top is tasks, and then you have reoccurring tasks, and those will change. We're going to have some reoccurring that'll pop up there, reminders to email your team, things like that. But like here you can see there's one task, complete your business plan. And if you click on the little guy right here, add to conversation, you'll see that I have in here your business plan, so you can download it right from here. You can write anything in here, and when you put the @ sign, you can click on anyone, Nadia, Raj, whoever you want to tell, and it'll automatically text me and email me so I know that we're corresponding this way. Say, I am working on this, I need some help. Whatever you need, whatever you want to write in there, you can tag anybody that's part of your board. You can add notes for yourself in there. You can do anything. We can see when it was last updated, last time you've been in here. You can change this as maybe it's a high priority for you or low priority. I have it set as medium because I added it. The status needs a status. So when you take a look, you see this, you can put you're working on it, or you're stuck, or you're waiting for my review of it. So you can write any of those there. When the date that we expect it to be due, since we have our team meeting on the 10th, that's when we need it to be done. So let's work on that. And when it is done, we press done, and it goes down to the done box. So it's all done, and it goes down. You won't see it anymore. But of course, we haven't started working on it. So I'm going to move this back up. There's a lot of cool things you can do with Monday.com. You can... what I don't want to do is to archive them, because that makes it hard to find them again. So I'm just going to put this back up in tasks so you can see how to move them. And use this as your own task book. So I have this as an app on my phone. As I'm thinking about something, I put, oh gosh, I have to make chicken tonight. I forgot to pick up the chicken. Put it in there. You can put the due date as today. And I'll do this as an example. Need to finish the laundry. And I don't care what you put in there. I'm looking at the ones that have been last updated by myself, or what I usually do is have it like that. So I see those. These are your own. You can use this for anything you want. Put notes in there. When was the last time I did laundry? I need to pick up soap, whatever you need to do in there. And then, of course, you want to do the laundry today. So you're going to put it in there. And what will happen is, say you had this in there and you had it there for yesterday, it'll come up as a red circle. And it reminds you, oh my gosh, I didn't do the laundry yesterday. I'm not looking at your personal stuff. I'm looking at doing these with you. But the reason why I'm saying to use this for your personal setup, as your own personal task sheet, is because when you tend to use this for everything in your life, not just work, then you'll use it more and it'll become more of a habit for you. But in here, use this. You have a client, you need to make sure you set up the inspection by this date, put that in there. You can use it as a task sheet, you can use this as anything. It'll give you reminders to your email, your phone. You'll see little messages. You can see up here there's a little bell, and it tells me that there's a message up there. So you'll see those as we're corresponding. Let me know if you have any questions. This is your setup, your task sheet, but I'm going to be adding things in there. So please make sure that you're checking it, because I'm also going to be sending you, this is how we're sending you leads from now on as well. You can see a few I've added in there on on your boards. So if you're hiring some agents, things like that, you can even share with me leads that you have, new agents, new PM leads, and it'll help me track it to make sure if they close, then you get your 500. So you can do all of this in here. Make sure you use it. I'll be checking up and down. Me and Raj are going to be monitoring it. If If some you don't want me to know, use a code for yourself. But I use it for everything. I'll show you. Here is my life task, and I have just everything in here. I have my loony bin property line, because I was my neighbors, I call them the loony bin. You know, just everything in here I have, and I use it often. As you can tell, you can see that I have some that are outdated. So these are the things that you can use as well. So I'm excited to have this as one of yours, and let me know if you have any questions.